What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Terry and I would love to have you as a part of my crew. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you are aware every time I upload a new video. So today we are doing something very exciting. I've been so pumped to try the Fenty foundation, and I finally have to achieve this chocolatey glam look. So I am so excited, guys. I really love the way this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so first we are going to tackle these brows off camera. Wait, that's not it. Here we go. So we're going to take the e.l.f. Shadow Lock Primer and we are going to tap it on both eyes gently. And then we're going to take our fingers and blend that out. Okay, now as you can see, we've already completed one eye off camera. So we're going to go into this Milani Pure Passionn palette in the color Late Date. And we're going to apply it to our crease with the Morphe M441 brush. Now going into the color Spice It Up, we are going to apply this over the top of where we place the brown as a transition color with this Icon blending brush. Now taking the color Desert Getaway, we are going to pat this on the top of our lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now going in with this e.l.f. glitter primer and these three glitters in the color pink, a chocolatey color, and a very rich gold. We are going to apply this over the top of the lid where we just placed the Desert Getaway. And then we're going to take this Morphe M441 brush again and we're going to blend out those corners with the existing brown on the brush. Going in with this Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liner in the color Black, we are going to do a nice and sharp wing liner. Last time, I'm going to apply these off camera, ladies. I'll be right back. Okay, come through lashes. Now we're going to work on our skincare for a flawless makeup finish. We're taking this Physicians Formula Vitamin C stick and we're going to place it all over our dark areas. And then we're going to take this e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence and we're going to rub it all over our face. Okay, let's take this Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Primer and we're going to place it over our cheek area right underneath our eye and we're going to gently massage it in. For a nice glow, we're going to take a few dabs of this e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer and we're going to gently massage it in. Okay, here we go. Fenty! We're taking this Fenty Pro Filtr foundation in the color 385 and we're going to apply it all over our face. Remember, ladies, I heard that this dries quickly, so you want to be quick about the way you do this. And we're going to take the foundation brush and blend it out all over. Now for a more even look, I'm going to take my wet blending sponge and go over my foundation again. Now going in with this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color 36, we are going to place it underneath our eyes, the bridge of our nose, the top of our forehead, our cupid's bow, and right underneath our bottom lip. And then we're going to blend it out with our beauty sponge. Now going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C14, we are going to contour our cheekbones, the bridge of our nose, and the perimeter of our face, and then we're going to blend it out with the Morphe M173 brush. Now going in with the Fenty Pro Filtr setting powder in the color Banana, we're going to place this everywhere that we place the highlight, and then we're going to sweep it away with our face brush. Taking the LA Girl Glide Liner in the color Black, we're going to place it right on our waterline. Going back in with our e.l.f. Glitter Primer and the glitter mixture, we're going to place it right underneath the black liner. Now we're going to take this LA Girl Bold Lash Mascara and apply it to our bottom lashes. Okay, now it's time to set our makeup with the Makeup Revolution Sports Fix Setting Spray. And then it's highlight time. We're going to take the Fenty Killawatt highlighter in the color Trophy Wive. Look at that rich gold. And then we're going to place that on our cheekbones, our brow bones, the bridge of our nose, our cupid's bow, and the inner corners of our eyes. Now taking this brown lip pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store, we're going to outline our lips and then smudge it out. Now we're taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Lima, and we're going to apply that onto our lips. Now we're going to take this NYX lip cream in the color Romance Me, and we're going to place it into the inner portion of our lips. Now we're just going to take our lip pencil again, and we're going to really quickly just go back in with it to define our lips a little bit more. And then we're going to take this Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk, and we're going to apply it over our lips as a nice glossy topper. Okay guys, that's it. This is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this look for you guys. Don't forget to leave me feedback, leave me a thumbs up, and subscribe, and also invite your friends. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. And don't forget, I love you, and most importantly, Jesus loves you, and you are beautiful just the way you are. Until the next video, bye guys.